Hello, my name is Fernanda Hernandez, and in this video we will see the topic homeostasis. What is homeostasis? The word homeostasis comes from the Greek homois that means similar and stasis that means standing still or condition. In fact, the homeostasis is a tendency of an organism or a cell where it regulates internal conditions by a system of feedback in order to be in optimal condition. Animals have the homeostasis process too, but in a human the homeostasis consists in the regulation of the body temperature to maintain an optimal internal temperature of 98.6 Fahrenheit degrees. Homeostasis controls some process or conditions, and these are the temperature. As I said before, homeostasis relates for temperature. The hypothalamus is a region of the brain where this process is controlled, as many other homeostatic conditions. Other conditions are the water and salt levels. As the name says, it's a process where the body regulates the osmotic pressure and salt concentration, and the glucose levels that has to be controlled within very specific levels, since it is a very important action because it carries out the metabolic processes. Also, the oxygen and carbon dioxide levels have to be controlled because, well, oxygen is vital for the cells to obtain energy, and as a result of the cellular respiration, dioxide carbon is created. So, in order to avoid any intoxication, it has to be between some levels. And the last condition is the pH, that is the measure of acidity or alkalinity of a solution. Since the organism needs to work within certain limits of pH, the level that a human being needs in its blood must be maintained between a 7.35 to 7.45 pH level, which is the basic level. Here is an example of something that is like homeostasis, a balance. Homeostasis is like a balance. In order for the two sides to be at the same level, it has to put the same weight on each side. If you put too much weight to one side, everything will be unbalanced. So, well, keep calm and maintain your homeostasis. So this is the last step of this video. How does homeostasis work in astronauts? Human beings lose calcium all the time, but here on Earth, most of the time that calcium is removed as fast as it has been lost. But in space, astronauts lose calcium way faster than normal, and this doesn't build up as quick as on Earth. Also, they don't just lose calcium, they also lose many other small minerals. Well, in space, well, there is no gravity, so the bodies of the astronauts are always in suspension, and the absence of this gravity make alterations on the levels of the normal levels that has to be on our body. So this leads to several problems that are hypercalciuria. That means that the levels of calcium reach a really high level where it concentrates and make little stones on our kidneys. Also, the altered bone cell. Well, the bone cells are no longer as they were when the person used to live on Earth. They, because of the on gravity, it has transformed. The irreversible bone loss, as a result of being so much time and space. The person loses a big quantity of bone and is unavailable to remodel that bone. So when they come back to Earth, some of the astronauts develop premature senile osteoporosis. That means that the bones are no longer functioning as they had to, since they are not old enough to have that osteoporosis. Well, this has been all. I hope you enjoyed the video. So, goodbye.